Alright, we got Seagull models Super Decathlon out. Nice day, light winds, a little bunch of stuff. Not sure if the camera is going to work through the whole thing. I just flew the glider, and halfway through it said my phone overheated because of the sun. It's not that warm out, it's like 25, 26. But I guess being a black phone in the sun kind of makes it hot. Alright, I'm going to put this in there. That's on my head. Oh, Valiant, it's going to tip over in the wind. Wind just picked up. Direct crosswind too, figures. All cut off, always helps. There we go, scalers take off. Nice giant loop. Sun's directly above me, so I'm doing pretty good. I don't have to look at it. It's I think 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Friday. Woohoo! Weekend. Low pass. Full speed. Up, 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 up. Wind over all day long. That was a beautiful one. Pickup truck over there watching me. I think it's a good flyer. I had several people say it's a crappy flyer. Turns are kind of crappy. You got to coordinate the turns. But besides that, she's pretty cool. Slows down nice. Too big to get a flat spin going. Other than that, I gotta go a lot higher. There's my timer. Paying attention to timers lately. Ooh, wind got it there. See that? Come on. Come on. Very nice. Oh, boom! I hate crosswinds. Bent landing gear. But she's in one piece. Like, bent landing gear. My first mishap with this. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.